Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Facebook from accessing your files on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in to your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. Next, look for the padlock icon next to the web address in the browser's address bar. Click on View Site Information to access detailed information about the site. Within the Site Information panel, locate and click on Site Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various permissions for Facebook. Under the Permissions section, you'll see a list of permissions that Facebook has. Disable the permissions that you want to prevent Facebook from accessing. This could include things like accessing your files, camera, microphone, or location. By following these steps, you can control and restrict the permissions that Facebook has on your PC, ensuring your privacy and data security. Disabling specific permissions helps in protecting your privacy and preventing unauthorized access to sensitive data by Facebook. Take charge of your online privacy by customizing site permissions to align with your preferences and security needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide empowers you to enhance your privacy and security while using Facebook on your PC.